Okay, as you can see, this is my greenhouse / studio. This is the jalapeno plant we brought in. See, it's got some good sized jalapenos on it. Not big enough yet. Here, right there, right here. So I potted this thing here. I'm gonna see what it does. I know it won't get no new peppers on it, but it should at least get these bigger. And this is my lettuce here. That's getting larger. Slowly, but it's getting larger. Keep getting wrapped up in each other. Anyway, this is it. Hello, folks. I'm doing one more garden video here. Not really a garden video. I'm just showing you what we've done so far. Anyway, this is my fountain. I still got out. As long as it keeps getting warmer weather. It's pretty warm today. It'll be up in high 60s Fahrenheit. These are eggshells we crush up later on if they dry out. And I just want to show you what we've done so far for my last garden video. Took the strawberries off the wall, put them down here between the wall and the hot tub. That's where they're going to stay all winter. They still got some green strawberries on it. I just picked some today, some red ones, and if it still produce, I'll keep picking. I see flowers, I see buds on them already. So let's see what we got over here. Okay, well, we didn't pick these sticks up yet. We took the bamboo poles out. Except for this one here. This thing had, I see it's rotted. It ain't gonna make it. We cleaned this garden area up here. Left some tomatoes laying down there. They may volunteer next spring. But we cleared all this out now. This used to be a flower bed years ago. But we've been using for garden area. Okay, we don't have a whole lot of area here. And let's see. You see here, we cleared out the barrels, garden barrels. And I don't know if I put these on my second channel or not. I know I had it on Alan-Unleased. I mean, Alan to everything. But if I don't have these on Alan-Unleashed, I just put these on for a little entertainment. How we done these. How we made everything. And Shelly made a little 2x4 thing here. For 10 feet long. We're going to keep these trees 10 feet or under in height. You can see up there getting pretty close to that line anyway. So it'll produce more fruit and be easier to get to. Anyway, so I hope you like what I have. And don't forget to like, subscribe, keep watching. I still haven't done my other 2 videos on Alan-Unleashed. But once I get out of this lazy mood, well, I work during the week too now. So until next time, thanks for watching. Later.